In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to your Shopify page. Easy tutorial in 2025. If you're new to Shopify, sections are the building blocks of your pages. They let you add content like banners, images, text, product grids, and app-powered elements without touching code. We'll walk through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently add and organize sections on any page. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a web browser and signing in. On the left sidebar, look for Online Store. This is where your themes live and where all the design work happens. Click Online Store to open your theme settings. Next, find your current theme and choose Edit Theme or Customize. That opens the theme editor, which has two main areas: a live preview on the right and a settings sidebar on the left. The preview helps you see changes in real time, while the left panel is where you add, remove, and configure sections. Inside the editor, move your cursor over the page preview. You'll notice certain areas highlight as you hover. These are clickable zones tied to specific sections. Click a highlighted area to jump straight to that section's settings. This is the fastest way to edit what you're seeing on the screen. As you click through highlighted areas, header, main content, footer, or a featured area, watch how the left panel updates. You'll see controls for content, layout, images, text, and spacing. Use these to fine-tune what's already on the page. If you don't see the area you want, try switching the page type from the drop-down at the top of the editor to the home page, a product page, or a collection page. Then hover again to find the right highlight. Now look in the left panel for apps. Clicking apps shows any app-powered blocks or sections you've installed that can be added to the page. If you use reviews, bundles, or badges from apps, this is where they appear. If you don't use any apps yet, you can skip this and focus on native sections. Next, click Sections in the left panel. This is your library of built-in options. Things like image banners, rich text, image with text, featured collections, and more. Choose a section that fits your goal, then use the highlighted controls in the preview to place it where you want. Most themes let you drag sections up and down to reorder them, so don't worry about getting the placement perfect on the first try. After adjusting content and layout, remember to save your changes. For a quick quality check, toggle mobile and desktop previews to ensure everything looks great on all devices. That's it. Your Shopify page now has the sections you need, organized